Got those beautiful peppers soaking in vinegar and olive oil. This is going to be part of lunch, this right here, folks. I'm looking forward to this. And this is Vinete. Vinete. This is made with that meat from the roasted eggplant. And this could be made with olive oil or with eggs. This here is with eggs, and it's going to go on the bread. That's why I'm not having potatoes, because I'm having bread and Vinete. Okay, I got that Vinete spread all over my bread. Here in Romania, look at that beautiful Vinete on that homemade bread. And this Vinete is made from roasted eggplants. Roasted eggplants. You can mix it with oil, or you can mix it with a mayonnaise, a homemade mayonnaise if you choose to make it. Getting there. Almost finished. Almost. And this batch of Zacusca is finished, and it is going in jars to be stored away.